Ethereum daily update as had been requested. This is to the USD using the Bitstamp price feed. All right. So I had said in my prior update, and this looks very beautiful, by the way. Jeez, very classic, very vintage, earlier wave perspective. Ethereum put in a very nice 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 waves up. Wave 5 was a bit extended. The retrace so far has been quite deep, and it falls well within what I think is a flat correction of an ABC type. It's a flat because the red A is subdivided into 3 waves, as you can see, the blue ABC. And the blue C wave has beautiful 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 waves also. The B has very nice ABC. The A, in this case, is a zigzag of 5, 3, 5, making up the A. However, that 5, 3, 5 is an ABC because that doesn't divide into 5 subwaves for A. If you can follow me on that, that'll be great. So the C is where the significance is right now. And so far, I can count 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now, I did say wave 5 from here to here was pretty extended. So when you get an extended fifth wave, whenever you see that the fifth wave, first of all, is getting longer than the wave 3, that should be ringing some alarm bells. Whenever you see an extended fifth, you turn, you don't walk, but you run away. You take your profits and you run away. You'll get these kind of 0.78 or 0.88 type of retrace levels. So price has already surpassed. It took a little support from the 0.88, and now it's heading towards a 0.78. Took a little support from, now it's heading towards a 0.88. 0.88 is the square root of 0.786 in the Fibonacci. Square root of 0.88 itself is 0.938. And the 0.938 will be in the zone of this region right here. So that will be, I think, when you get an extended fifth, the retrace quite often goes to the level of wave 2, which is right here. And that right now is reading at 282. So if it is not, if it stabs past 387, the next fallback support will be this region right here, 282. It hasn't exactly hit. It went as low as 362. I think I meant this one to be 357. So let's see what happens. Now, let's see if we can dig a little deeper into the current wave 5 of C and see if we can examine some of the subwaves. So for that, let's go to 4-hour chart. Stretch it out. This is like chart microscopy. That's why I believe in order to become a good technical analyst, you have to have undergo three phases of learning. The first, you have to learn to become a proficient aliotician. You have to be able to count the waves, especially the corrections. Then be able to identify patterns visually. And that can take some practice. And then combine all of that and be able to future forecast price pathways on a probability perspective. And the first stage of being able to count your Elliott waves very proficiently allows you to get a better geopositioning of where the wave stands at the micro scale and adding that up and zooming out into the macro, higher degree of trend scale. So here let's count what we've got so far. So we have wave 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 3, 4 is being worked on, and I think we'll go to maybe 340s. The reason why I say around 340s, I'm going to make wave 5 equal to wave 1. So I'm going to bring all this down here and then make the target at around 335. That should be in the realm of the 0.88 in the Fibonacci. So this 4, wave 4 completion, could be an ABC or ABCDE, could go more sideways to take more time, extend time and price. But for now, let's keep it where it is right now here. And this, I think, will take us into April. And that would be very interesting. So it looks to me, for now, 335 could provide the last remaining wave 5 of 5 of C, minuscule 5 of submicro 5 of micro C. And 1, 2, wave 3 is complete because let's count wave 3. Again, subwave counting can be very valuable. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That is how I know wave 3 is pretty much complete and placed and in. Subwave counting gives you a tool to qualify the higher degree of wave count to be as accurate and confirmatory as possible. All right, I hope this was helpful. More to come throughout the day, and I will be providing daily updates on Ethereum as I had been requested by quite a few of you. Have a great day.